In retail, your biggest risk isn't return on ad spend, it's working capital. You can hit growth targets and celebrate strong revenue and still quietly be leaking cash. Why? It's because you're operating in silos. Your departments are making decisions in isolation. Marketing is driving demand for products that inventory can't fulfill. Operations is processing returns on items your ads are still pushing. They're not just disconnected, they're actively working against each other because they don't share a single nervous system. The answer isn't another tool. You need a BAIO, a strategic AI operating system for retail. A BAIO is a trusted learning system with a connected intelligence layer that lets you see the full picture and be able to act on it. Think of it as a corporate brain trained on your data, your KPIs, and your business context that turns insight into actions and actions into outcomes. Trust is everything when it comes to AI. That's why we use a simple framework of walk, run, scale to build trust, prove the value, and then scale outcomes. This is an example of a direct-to-consumer retailer. They're spending $5,000 a day on Meta to sell their perfect fit chinos. The return on the ad spend looks great. Sales are strong. So they're winning, right? Let's take a closer look. In Walk, BAIO connects everything, their Shopify, Meta, and warehouse data, all into one truth layer. And here's what their BAIO finds. The return rate on size 32 is 40%. It turns out there's a batch defect. When the company factors in the cost of shipping and returns, they're actually losing money. Okay, the company has established their single source of truth. Now they're ready to move into run. In this phase, they can go beyond visibility to trigger automated action. Run is where their BAIO manages the repetitive work, fixing problems without human intervention. Our pants company has added a simple automation in their BAIO. If the return rate of any SKU exceeds 20%, it will pause that ad for that product. At 2 a.m., their BAIO detects the threshold and acts. It pauses the meta ad with that product and quarantines the stock in Shopify. Their BAIO has become a 24/7 digital operations team that automatically stops the margin leak before the pants company even wakes up. Now the pants company is ready to scale. Instead of fixed rules, they have AI agents, supply, demand, and pricing, all coordinating in real time to hit a shared goal, like maximizing total margin. In scale, BAIO simultaneously weighs trade-offs, navigates complexity, and ultimately creates new money. It turns out our pants company is still seeing strong demand for those perfect fit chinos. So agents begin negotiating. The demand agent says, "We need 300 pairs." The supply agent says, "I have 250 units now, another 50 next week." And the pricing agent suggests to raise the price by 5% to protect margin. Their BAIO automatically implements a workflow based on the collective input of the agents. The system reroutes inventory from another warehouse. It adjusts pricing on the healthy stock, and total margin rises. Want to see where your margin is leaking? We're happy to run a live BAIO demonstration with your data. No commitment, just a fast, clear view of where opportunity might be hiding in plain sight. If your company data is stuck in silos, let's chat.